Hello and welcome to Sword of Sir's classes. Today we will be solving ISI MSQE 2018 Economics question paper. Let us focus on question number 27. Suppose in an economy the level of consumption is fixed while the level of investment varies inversely with the rate of interest. So we know that y is equal to C plus I plus G. So C is fixed, so that let that be C bar. This is the autonomous consumption in the economy. Plus I as a function of R plus G bar. I dash R is said to be less than 0. So if we plot aggregate supply on the x-axis and aggregate demand on the y-axis, for a fixed level of rate of interest, say R1, y1 is equal to C1 C bar plus I of R1 plus G bar. Hence this is a horizontal curve. Now say R2 is more than R1. So y2, which is equal to C bar plus I of R2 plus G bar, has to be less than y1. Why? Because IR2 is less than IR1, because R2 is more than R1, and because of I dash R less than 0, we can say that y2 is less than y1. So this is say y1 and this is y2. This is for R1, this is for R2. This is my aggregate supply curve. So my y2 star is this and my y1 star is this. I'm plotting this with y on x-axis and r on y-axis. Since R2 is more than R1, R2 is plotted above R1, R2 is y2 star, and as seen before, y1 star is more than y2 star, so this will be here somewhere, and hence this is the IS curve. Thus IS curve will be negatively sloped. Thank you. Hope this was helpful. For other such videos, please visit our YouTube channel.